Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to import and export a database using phpMyAdmin. First, log in to cPanel. Look for the Databases section, then click the phpMyAdmin icon. Now, select the database that you need to import to. In the upper bar, click the tab Import. Click Browse and locate the SQL file on your computer. After that, click the Import button. Once done, you will see a notification that your database has been successfully imported. On your phpMyAdmin, select an existing database. Next, click the Export tab on the top menu. The Quick Radio button is selected by default. Continue to select the required file from the drop-down menu and format and click the Export button. This will download a SQL file into your computer. Depending on the database's size, the downloading may take some time.